Are we not getting snatched? I have to get ready. Let's get ready. I'm getting ready to go to dinner tonight. Oh, I'll be starting off with the House of Labs. I'm actually in San Francisco and I'm gonna be going to dinner. I actually have never been in San Francisco before, which is crazy because I'm always in LA. I didn't know that San Francisco was literally an hour away, 1 hour flight. You have to conceal these bags because I can't look like I haven't slept. And this I can always depend on. Gaga really knew what she was doing with this. Feeling very full coverage today. Are we giving? Feel like I need a bit of a refresher right now because I just did all this work. Carrots. Okay. I guess it's good for your eyesight. Love it. I also have 2 bunnies, so now I feel a little bad that I'm eating carrots without them because I love to share my carrots with them. I have a bunny. I actually have 2 bunnies. One is Honey. The first bun I got during COVID, during the pandemic. Don't know how I convinced my fiance. It made no sense because he just never cared for pets. So the first bunny, her name's Honey. The second one I rehomed. Okay, now that we have our blush down, I need something. Okay, some more please. Okay. I have been eating a lot of high fatty sodium filled foods. So I'm really trying to portion and maintain that. I have not had a vegetable since that carrot. That's the first vegetable I've had in, can't even remember. My butler does keep me in check with that. Are we giving contoured? I know I said that I was watching what I'm gonna be eating, but I can't when I'm in San Francisco. I don't think I've had a licorice since 2017. Ooh, let's brighten this up because I cannot look not well rested. Do you guys like licorice? I really don't know how to feel about it. I mean, I like to try new things, but not all the time. We're giving carved. It's a lot of hard work. Imagine being so famous that you have licorice brought to you. Just kidding. Okay. Delicious. Time for a little juice. Oh, she's fizzy today. It's really good. I love it so much. Let's go on to the next step. This is my signature, okay?
The one size.
A lot of people don't believe me when I say this will last you through. Do you see that? I use this liquid lipstick as a lip liner. And when it dries down, you can French kiss. You can go snow diving and this won't come off. Just wait.
Wait, are you ready?
I just need one more thing before I put on the gloves. These are onion chips. I hate onion chips. Okay. Cute. What do we think, guys? I think I'm dinner date ready and on time for once. And guess what, guys? I'm not late for once. I'm early for once, so I have to go.